Recently, a constitutional bench of the Supreme Court of India, that means a 5-judge bench, observed that marriages could be ended without any fault being established of either partner and purely because of irreconcilable differences. So this is what's called a no-fault divorce. In this type of divorce, the dissolution of marriage does not require a showing of wrongdoing by either of the spouses. For example, you don't need to tell the court that you want a divorce because your partner actually did something stupid, the possibilities of which are endless. Here are some historical facts on no-fault divorce. In modern history, around 1757, European marriages were allowed to be resolved on the grounds of serious and continuous hostility between spouses without necessarily having any guilty deed. So couples could be pissed at each other and that's all the grounds one needed. The first modern no-fault divorce law was enacted in Russia in December 1917, following the October Revolution of the same year. Considering marriage as a bourgeoisie institution, the then government transferred divorce jurisdiction from the Russian Orthodox Church to the state courts, which could grant it on the application of either spouse. In the USA, California became the first US state to permit no-fault divorce all the way back in 1969. Australia established no-fault divorce in 1975, with the only ground for divorce being the irretrievable breakdown of marriage, evidenced by a 12-month separation. Canada was next and effectively permitted no-fault divorce in 1986 by reducing the separation period to 1 year. What about India? The Law Commission made recommendations in 1978 and again in 2010 to add irretrievable breakdown of marriage as a new ground for divorce in both the Hindu Marriage Act and the Special Marriage Act. The Supreme Court has recently observed that ending a marriage should not require proving the fault of any of the spouses. According to a recent constitution bench, the law on divorce in India is based on the fault theory, while in many cases the simple reality could be that two persons might not always be good partners. Most of the faults that men and women allege while seeking divorce arise out of societal norms and expectations. Divorce invariably is an emotional process. Tempers are high, emotions are charged, and family and relatives tend to find it easier to attach blame rather than just accept incompatibility as a reason. When in reality, two people simply not getting along doesn't mean either of them is to blame. So, what are your thoughts on marriage, divorce, and the blame game? Share your thoughts in the comment section below. And I'll see you very soon with some more stories that will make you just be a better version of yourself. Be a better you every single day. Basically, know more, be more.